Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today we'll be discussing a new topic, that is multiples and factors. Okay, so for multiples and factors, one thing that you all must know is tables. आप सब बच्चों को tables आनी चाहिए at least 2 से 10 तक. But as you all are in 5th standard, so आप सब बच्चों को 2 से लेके 10 तक सबको tables learn करनी है. Is that clear? Now, how do we find out the multiples and factors? The first question is, what are multiples? Multiples क्या होते हैं बेटा? What are multiples? Table है ना? For example, if I say write down multiples of 3 and 6, that means what you will do, you will write their tables. Okay, so multiples of 3 are, tell me the multiples of 3.
3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 9,
3 4 are, 3 5 are, 3 6 are,
18, 3 7 are 21, 3 8 are 24, 3 9 are 27,
3 10s are
30.
very good. And now tell me, what are the multiples of 6?
6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42,
6 8s are
48, 6 9 are 54, 6 10 are 60.
again,
6
1s are 6, 6 2s
12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54, 6 10 are 60.
very good. So these are the multiples of 3 and 6. ये क्या है? 3 और 6 के multiples है. Multiples basically means table. Okay, 3 के multiples कौन से, यानी 3 से कौन कौन से numbers हैं which comes in table of 3, जो 3 की टेबल में आते हैं. Okay, and same for 6. ऐसे कौन कौन से नंबर हैं जो 6 की टेबल में आते हैं. We have written the multiples of 3 and 6 till 10. अपन ने only 10 तक multiples लिखे हैं. It does not mean कि भाई अब 10 के बाद 11 टाइम multiple इनका होता ही नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. 3 11s are 33, 3 12s are 36, just like that. 6 10s are 60. Now 6 11s are 6 12s are
72.
very good. So multiples are infinity. Okay, multiples होते हैं वो infinity होते हैं. Infinity means which the numbers which don't have any end, जिनका कोई अंत नहीं है, end नहीं है, ये endless है. Multiples चलते रहेंगे, कभी भी stop नहीं होंगे. Okay, for example अपन ने 6 12 टाइम लिखा है, तो अपन 6 13 टाइम, 6 40 टाइम, 6 80 टाइम, 1000 टाइम, मोर देन 1000 टाइम, वो चलता ही रहेगा. ठीक है. सो मल्टीपल्स जो होते हैं, मल्टीपल्स काउंटिंग्स, दे आर एंडलेस, इनका कोई अंत नहीं है. ओके, now we have in this chapter we will find out the factors. Okay, अपन क्या find out करेंगे इस chapter में? Factors find out करेंगे. Okay, factors also and multiples also. So as we have written multiples, so you have to tell me the common multiples. Common multiples means वो मल्टीपल जो 3 की टेबल में भी आते हैं और 6 की टेबल में भी आते हैं. वेरी गुड. सो टेल मी 6 एंड हेयर वी आर सर्कलिंग द कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. ओके, अपन क्या कर रहे हैं, कॉमन मल्टीपल को मल्टीपल कर रहे हैं. ओके यस. नाउ 6 9 आता है क्या बेटा 6 की टेबल में? नो. 12 देन सर्कल 12. 18 वेरी गुड. देखो 6 की टेबल में 6 आता है, 6 की टेबल में 6 आता है. दोनों की टेबल में जो नंबर आता है वो होगा अपना कॉमन मल्टीपल. अब 6 की टेबल में 6 आता है, 3 की टेबल में भी 6 आता है, इसलिए 6 क्या हो गया? कॉमन मल्टीपल. सेम फॉर 12, सेम फॉर 18. वेरी गुड. 36 36 30 also. Where is 30 in this? Here. Okay, very good. इतना सबको आया? Now what we will write here? These numbers are these multiples are common multiples. Common multiples means those multiple which are common in both the tables. ऐसे multiple जो दोनों की टेबल में कॉमन है, यानी वो 3 की टेबल में भी आते हैं और 6 की टेबल में भी आते हैं. So common multiples of
3 and 6 equals to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36.
very good. Is this clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me its LCM. Now you all must know what is LCM.
Least common multiple.
Very good. LCM, LCM. Full form?
Least common.
What is the spelling of least?
L-E-A-S-T. Least. C-O-M-M-O-N. Common. M-U-L-T-I-P-L-E-S. Multiples.
अच्छा, मल्टीपल्स और मल्टीपल.
Multiples.
वेरी गुड. मल्टीपल और लीस्ट यानी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लीस्ट? लीस्ट यानी स्मॉलेस्ट. स्मॉलेस्ट. ओके. लीस्ट यानी स्मॉलेस्ट. कॉमन मीन्स जो दोनों की टेबल में आता है. ओके. मल्टीपल, मल्टीपल मीन्स जस्ट लाइक 6 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. ओके. सो लीस्ट यानी छोटा, कॉमन यानी जो दोनों की टेबल में आता हो. तो ऐसा मल्टीपल जो 3 की टेबल में भी आता है, 6 के भी टेबल में भी आता है, कॉमन है दोनों में पर वो सबसे छोटा है. तो ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है? 6. सो LCM ऑफ 6 इज इक्वल टू ऑफ 3 and 6. ओके. वेरी गुड. इज दिस क्लियर टू यू ऑल? Now let's do another question. Now you all have to find it by yourself and I will give you some hints. Okay, the question is find out the LCM of 8 and 12. Find out the LCM of 8 and 12. First of all, what you will do, everyone? सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे अपन to find out the LCM? Very good. We will write the multiples. What is the spelling of multiples, beta? Multiples of 8. Now tell me, 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 3 40. 8 Now what are the multiples of 12? We will write down the multiples of 12. Very good. Now what we have to find? We have to find the LCM. Again, what is the full form of LCM?
Least common multiple.
Very good. And before finding the LCM, we will also find out the common multiples. Common multiples, which are those numbers, those multiples which are common in both table of 8 and table of 12. So, is 8 comes in both tables?
No, ma'am.
16,
No, ma'am.
24.
Yes, ma'am.
So, we will circle the 24 number. Okay. Now, 36, 32, 40,
No, ma'am.
48.
Yes,
Yeah, very good. 56, 64, 72.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now 84,
No, ma'am.
80,
No, ma'am.
96. No. Very good. So the common multiples.
Common
What
multiples of 8 and 12 is equals to 24, 48, 72.
Very good. Common multiples of 8 and 12 is again
24, 48, 72.
very good. And now tell me what is its LCM?
Of 8 and 12
Well,
is equals to 24.
very good. Why 24? Because 24 is the least number. Why? Because 24 is the least number. Okay, least number, smaller number among all these common multiples. Is that clear? सब बच्चों को आया ये समझ में? Now, next we will find out the factors. What we will do now? Factors. So, what are factors? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Supriya, tell me. Numbers, no. Try to speak in English. Numbers, yes. In factors, we will find out those numbers. For example, let's say 48. Okay, we'll understand it with the help of an example. Okay, for example, I have written here 48. Find out the factors of 48. Okay, so what will be the factors of 48? That means is this number 48 is divisible by which number? Okay, like 48 किस की टेबल में आता है? 48 is divisible by how many numbers and which numbers they are, that we have to find out. So, is 48 divisible by 2? 2 से divisible है? But which one is the smallest factor of 48? Smallest factor of 48? 1. Very good. Before solving the questions, there is some important properties of factors which you all must know. Okay, the first property of factor is that 1 is a factor of every number. 1 क्या होता है? 1 हर नंबर का फैक्टर होता है. Why 1 is factor of every number? Why? Look at this. Because whenever we multiply any number by 1, we get that number itself. For example, here we have multiplied 1 multiply 48 is equal to 48. यानी 1 की टेबल में हर नंबर आता है. Every number is multiple is divisible by 1. Okay. We will divide here 48 by 1. So whenever we divide any number by 1, we get the number itself. And whenever we multiply any number by 1, we again get that number. Okay, so 1 is the factor of every number. and 1 is also the smallest factor of every number. Okay, now the second property of this is, second property, every number is a factor of itself. हर नंबर क्या होता है? हर नंबर खुद का फैक्टर होता है, एंड वो कैसा फैक्टर होता है? वो खुद का ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लुक एट बोर्ड 24. Okay, now 24 is divisible by how many numbers? Tell me. 1, 3, yes, 4, very good, 5, 6, very good, 6, and no, 8, 8 and 12, very good, and 24 itself. So here you can see 1 is the smallest number and 24 is the biggest number. Okay, so किसी भी नंबर का जो फैक्टर होता है, सबसे छोटा फैक्टर 1 होता है और सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर क्या होता है? वो खुद ही नंबर होता है. Why? Because 24 32 की टेबल में आता है क्या बेटा? नो. 48 की टेबल में? नो. तो जो नंबर होता है वो खुद ही कहा ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर होता है. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स? हियर वी हैव फाइंडेड आउट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24 बाय डिवाइडिंग द नंबर्स. अपन ने क्या किया? नंबर्स को डिवाइड कर दिया. हियर फर्स्ट वी हैव डिवाइडेड 24 बाय 1. सिट डाउन सुप्रिया. 24 को 1 से डिवाइड किया, क्या आंसर आएगा बेटा? 24. Very good. And next we will divide the numbers in one row. Like 24 divided by 2. Is 24 divisible by 2? Yes or no?
Yes.
How many times? 12 times. 12 twos are 24. Now second, here we will divide 24 by 3. 3 की टेबल में बेटा 24 आता है. How many times does it come? 8 times. Okay. Now is 24 divisible by 4?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times?
6 times.
6 times. Very good. Now any other factor?
No, ma'am.
No. So here we have written already 1, 2, 3, 4, 24. Very good. So these all are the factors of 24. Very good. Now we are taking next number, that is 24, and after 24 we'll find out the factors of 30. Okay. So what are the factors of 30? We will do this by the division method. Okay, by division method. So first of all we will divide this 30 by 1. Very good. 30 is divided by 1 is equal to 30. 30 divided by 2
Yes, ma'am.
is equal to 15. Very good. So you all can see that multiples and factors plays a major role in mathematics. Okay, and to solve such type of question you all must learn tables from 2 to 20. Okay, learn tables 2 to 20, otherwise you won't be able to solve such type of questions. Okay, now back to this question. 30 is divisible by 10 by 3. How many times does it divisible? 10 times. Okay. Now 30 is divisible by 4. No. So as you have written 30 divisible by 4. But if this 30 is not divisible by 4, then you can write here, no, 4 is not a factor of. Very good. Okay, now we'll divide 30 by 5. Next number is our 5. So 30 is divisible by 5. How many times?
6 times.
Very good. Now, is there any number by which 30 is divisible? No. So tell me, what are the factors of 30?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Again, what are the factors of 30?
1, 2, 3, 5.
1, 2,
3, 5,
6.
10, 15, 30.
Very good. सब बच्चों का आ गया ये?
Yes.
Have you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in multiples, we have find out the least common multiple, यानी वो multiple जो दोनों की टेबल में आता है पर छोटा होता है. And in this topic factors के टॉपिक में अपन क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे? HCF. क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे?
HCF.
वेरी गुड. सो HCF का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है बेटा?
Highest common factor.
हाईएस्ट. स्पेल इट आउट. HIGHEST. हाईएस्ट. COMMON. कॉमन. FACTOR. Factor. So the full form of HCF is highest. Very good. So which one is the highest common factor of 24 and 30? 1 is factor of 30. Let us see if 1 is factor of 24 also. Okay. Now 2 is a factor of 24. Let's see. 2 is a factor of 30 also. So they both are common. Now 3 is a factor of 30. Let's see. 3 is also a factor of 24. So 5 is a factor of 30. Now you have to find out whether 5 is a factor of 24. No, then we will not circle 4. Okay. 5 is a factor of 30. Now check it if 5 is a factor of 24. No. Next number 6. 6 is a factor of 24. Okay. And here also 6 is a factor of 30. So we will circle 6 and here we will circle 6. Okay. Now, yes, tan is a factor of 30. Is tan is a factor of 24? No. Tan 15 is a factor of 30. Check it if 15 is a factor of 24. Now last 24 is a factor of 24. Here can you see 24? So the common multiples, sorry, common factors. Okay. Common factors and 30. Common factors of 24 and 30 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Very good. These are the common factors. Okay. Now you have to find out the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. वो नंबर जो दोनों का फैक्टर तो है पर हाईएस्ट भी है यानी बड़ा भी है. ओके. HCF. So what will be the HCF of 24 and 30? 6. Very good. क्योंकि 6 क्या है? 1, 2, 3 से ग्रेटर नंबर है. So 6 क्या हो गया अपना? HCF. Is that clear? Have you all got this?
Yes.
Now again we will solve the next question. Look into your books, everyone. Question number 5, page number 32. 12 and 20. Okay, we will find out the factors of 12 and 20. Okay. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12. Yes, tell me. 3, good. 4, very good. 6, and the number itself. That means 12. Okay. Now next we will find out the factors. Factors of 20. So is 20 divisible by 1?
Yes.
So 1 is a factor of 20 now. 2.
Yes.
1, 2. Next 4. Very good, Naksh. 5. 5. Now next number. Yes, tell me. Be quick. 10. Very good. The number itself, that means 20. Now find out the common factors. 1, 2, 4. Good. So we will write here common factors of 12 and 20. And common factors we have written. Now tell me the HCF. Highest common factor. Highest common factor of very good. Is this clear to you all, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
सब बच्चों को समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Now for today your homework will be, you have to find out LCM of 15 and 30, and question 2, find out the HCF of, you will find out the HCF of 15 and 45. Okay, 15 and 45. I hope you enjoyed the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Thank you.